Now it is my privilege to invite our esteemed chief guest, Professor Dr. B. Dinesha, Director, Sri Jayadeva Institute of Cardiovascular Sciences and Research, Bengaluru, to share a few motivating and energetic words to our runners for the marathon ahead. Sir, over to you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I don't know what to tell for all your, your enthusiasm and your, anyway, as a cardiologist, I'll give just one or two tips for your health progress. Anyway, for everyone, mental health and physical health are very, very important. Since you are in a youth and adolescent and adults age group, most of the time you people are very much vulnerable to certain bad things. So you please avoid smoking, alcohol and other indulgence in the drugs. If you keep walking or do exercise for 40 minutes per day, 20 minutes onward journey, 20 minutes backward journey, walking or running or brisk walk, whatever it is more than sufficient to keep your heart in a healthy state. Just a 40 minutes of walking, provided you have to have a good nutritious diet, including fruits, vegetables, little amount of non-vegetarians also. And try to avoid all those packed food and ultra-processed foods. My sincere thanks to Nitte Institute of Allied Health Sciences, my friend Jay Prakash, and all the Pro-Chancellor, Vice-Chancellor, and also government representatives and Government of India representatives. I only wish you people, when you maintain health, you can create a good, healthy society. Thereby, we can build a strong India. I think that is the only contribution from your side. So, I request everyone to go with the good, healthy lifestyles and cultivate some good habits. I wish you all good luck. Take care. Thank you.
It's a great event, the marathon which our university is conducting for the last so many years. The enthusiasm and all of you gathered here gives us more energy to work harder. Ever since marathon was instituted way back in 1896, marathons are held. As you know, the best of the marathons are either in Boston or in London. And our university is conducting this marathon to catch up all the students together to bring out understanding. I wish you all the best on behalf of the university, and I thank especially Dr. Dinesha, who has come all the way from Bangalore. He is heading one of the most important institutions of this country. So thank you, Dr. Dinesha, for being here.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and motivating words. Time that we all have been awaiting for. Before we proceed towards the flag off, requesting all the participants to listen to the instructions carefully. Please make sure that the bibs that have been provided to you are kept carefully. We have written down the bib number. So once you, the route map is as follows. There will be 2 checkpoints. For 5K runners, it's near the Paneer campus gate. To collect red wristbands from that checkpoint and return back to the finish point, which is at the Nitte grounds, not here. I repeat, the finishing line is at the Nitte grounds, not here. So you will have to come through this path, cross and move down towards the Nitte grounds. And for the 10K runners, we will have 2 checkpoints again. One is the Paneer gate, and second, you will have another checkpoint that is near Madur. The first 8 finishers from each category will be given green color bands as and when they reach their final destination, after which they will be felicitated at the valedictory ceremony. For the rest of the finishers, you will be given the medal on the spot as soon as you finish.
3, 2, 1.
Congratulations. You're all the way from Saliba. Oh, really, I really appreciate your determination. This is my 75th marathon. And I appreciate you.
So let me tell you all that Mr. Vivek's, this marathon is Mr. Vivek's 75th marathon. I think it requires a huge round of applause. Wishing you all the success ahead, Mr. Vivek, and I am sure you would cross 100 marathons as well. Congratulations.
The second prize goes to Mr. Chandra Keshava from SDF